Hello everyone, this is Mr. Appel, and I'm gonna help you with this problem here. If you are stuck on it, you came to the right place. Length of the side of a square with a diagonal of 12. So again, a diagonal is from one corner to the other, and so if that is 12, there we go, and we're trying to find the length of the side. So I'm gonna call the length of one of those sides x. But remember, it's a square, and so all the sides are the same. So if one of those sides is x, all the sides are x. I also notice that we have a triangle with two of the sides of the square, and the diagonal makes a triangle, and it's a square, so that's a right angle, because that's one of the properties of a square, is that it's got right angles. So we have a right triangle, and we have the two legs are x and the hypotenuse is 12. So it kind of looks like it's problematic because there's two unknowns, but because the two unknowns are the same thing, we just have one variable, we can still use the Pythagorean theorem. So remember, the Pythagorean theorem is simply one of the legs squared plus the other leg squared equals the hypotenuse squared. So we got to get our algebra on here. So x squared plus x squared is going to be 2x squareds. 12 squared is 144. We're solving for x, so let's divide both sides by 2. So x squared equals 144 divided by 2, which is 72. And now to solve for x squared, we can simply take the square root of both sides, and we're left with x equals the square root of 72. Now we want to try to simplify that if we can. You could use the factor tree method. I'm going to use a little bit quicker method that I like to use, which is recognizing that 72 is really 36 times 2. So that's the square root of 36 times the square root of 2. And I picked that because I know 36 is a perfect square. And so that simplifies to 6 times the square root of 2, or 6 rad 2. And that is the length of the side of our square. Hope that was helpful. Thanks.